it's Alicia. I'm here to talk you through this layout that I made for Uniquely Creative for the month of July. There are step-by-step instructions in the booklet inside the kit, so you can easily follow along to recreate this layout. To begin with, you need to cut 4 3x12 strips from the papers Berry, Candy, Flamingo and Fuchsia. With your sewing machine, do a line of stitching on the left hand side of each strip with white sewing thread, and then we're going to adhere the strips vertically to the right hand side of the white 12x12 cardstock. Once you have laid all of these strips onto your page, you can gently fold the edges up to add some more texture to the layout. Then we're layering the photo onto raspberry paper with some foam tape. Our next step is to cut 2 tabs from the cut apart sheet and to pop them at the top of the photograph. Then we are going to adhere the photo to the base of the layout with some foam tape. For the title, we're going to use the word smile from the Collectables, which I'm just gluing on with some liquid glue. And we're going to use the stamp Beautiful with black ink. Now we're going to make an embellishment cluster in the top corner. So using these strips from the sticker sheet, I'm just making a banner by cutting a triangle out from the bottom. I do that again with the grey sticker, and then I cut a pink banner from the cut apart sheet. Next, we're adding a couple of sentiments down the bottom of the photo, also from the cut apart sheet. Then a little bit of stamping at the top on our embellishment cluster, a tab from the cut apart sheet and a butterfly from the Collectables. Our next step is to make another embellishment cluster. This time it's at the bottom corner of the photograph. Just using some flowers and leaves from the Collectables, and we're going to sprinkle those with some pink misting spray, and then just adding a little butterfly. Then we're just going to give the whole layout a little bit of a spray with the misting spray. Another little leaf into the embellishment cluster. And then some Collectables on the side of the photo. Then we're going to add some glass domes to the center of the flowers with liquid glue. It can take a while for the glue to dry and for the domes to set properly. There is an extra option to add some more strips to your layout. I decided to add an extra sticker strip on the right hand side and a small barcode strip off the 12x12 black cardstock. That's really optional. The layout looks fine without it, but after looking at the layout for a while I thought, oh, it just needed a little bit more detail on that side. So it's up to you whether you include that extra strip or not. I hope you have a really enjoyable time creating this layout. Thank you for watching and have a lovely crafty day.